to my channel. My name is Simona. I'm usually here doing some DecoDarling on live stream. Make sure you tune in every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on TikTok, Twitch, and here on YouTube. But today I am showing you my favorite recipe that I can't stop talking about on streams in video form. So here it is. This is how you make the best mac and cheese ever. It's very expensive tasting, and if you are considering like the machines, oh boy, kitchen devices, appliances. If you are counting the kitchen appliances that I am using in this recipe, yeah, it's a pretty expensive bowl of mac and cheese. But if we're looking at it like as the price of the ingredients, pretty darn cheap. Also, I will tell you throughout the recipe which parts can be skipped if you don't want to be super fancy like me. But whether you make this super fancy or not, it is the best recipe of mac and cheese that I've ever had. So please enjoy, and I'll see you on the outro.
Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. So this first step, making the pasta, totally optional. You are definitely able to make this macaroni and cheese with boxed macaroni, no problem. This is a recipe that I found works best with my extruder. I use the KitchenAid one, and it works really good with homemade flour as well. So if you have a flour mill and you have a pasta extruder, I recommend trying this recipe right here. Once you have put that pasta together, you're gonna let it rest for a couple minutes before you extrude it. I highly recommend it. And as you can see, I don't really care if my macaroni are perfectly the same size or shape. It all looks the same in the tummy. This is around half a pound of pasta if you're using dried pasta. So from now on, let's get cooking. You're going to cook that pasta with lots of salt, and fresh pasta is 3 to 4 minutes, obviously whatever it says on your box, and reserve that water. This is important. You're gonna put butter, you're gonna put some flour, you're gonna whisk together quickly. I highly recommend either a brush like I'm using or a rubber whisk to do this, and you're gonna use that pasta water to make your sauce. You could alternatively use milk, but I feel like there's enough dairy going on here, and you want that to be nice and smooth and creamy. Next, you're gonna add your cheese. Any cheese, whatever cheese you got on hand, and however much cheese you want in your life, that is how much cheese. We're gonna use some mustard seed powder, white pepper, and of course some salt. You're gonna stir that baby up and taste accordingly. You might want to add more salt here, and of course add in that macaroni for that beautiful, creamy macaroni look. And I do like to bake my macaroni kind of like a casserole. Any toppings will work, and of course bake at 350 for about 30 minutes. Just look at it, and when it's done, it's done. The pasta's already cooked, so it's already good. And of course, serve it up. Enjoy deliciousness. You gotta try it. Please do. It's the best macaroni and cheese. It's the best.
All right, thank you for joining me today on that. If you try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. I will know if you really made it or if you're just saying, yummy, and pretend. No. I want you guys to really try this recipe with whatever materials you have, obviously. Like, if you don't have a flour mill or a pasta maker, it's still gonna come out delicious, and it's still gonna be the best. I have done this recipe every way you can imagine. It's very flexible too, so I hope you guys are able to try it. Please make sure you're following on TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. It is the law. I am on Instagram as well. I just don't live stream on Instagram, but I would appreciate a follow over there. And of course, please subscribe and like this video if you liked it and if you want to subscribe. I live stream every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to do some DecoDarling stuff. I need to clean all this up. I just finished the live stream, so thank you for joining me if you joined me on this one. Otherwise, join me on the next one. Bye! Kitchen